Okay, and because I hit the wrong button, we're now on part 2 of the video. I meant to do that. I was just seeing if it worked. It does. All right, this filling right here. We forgot this one. What is it? What is it, Deb? You're close.
Palace.
There you go. It's the palace. And who lived there?
King Hammurabi.
The king. The king. And how did the king get his job?
By the gods.
Yeah, the gods supposedly told him, you're going to be king.
That'd be awesome if
Right?
that happened to me.
Okay, so over top of this picture, what are we going to call this? A diagram of what?
Diagram of a city-state.
There you go. A diagram of a city-state. All right, so write that over your picture. Real big. Diagram of a city-state. All right, so we've got this all labeled now. This is an irrigation system in the Sumerian city-state. So our standard told us to look at agricultural techniques. What would be one agricultural technique that I could say that we have used, that we saw outside the city-state?
Irrigation.
Yeah, an irrigation system. So underneath your picture that you just labeled, I want you to write down agricultural techniques. Let me erase this and start that part over. Let's put agricultural techniques. Now you're doing this under the picture. Agricultural techniques. And we're going to list some. Okay? The first one is, what did we just say? Irrigation systems. Name me a type of irrigation system. Irrigation. What should you think of when you hear the word irrigate?
Water.
Water. Water. Okay, so name me one, Jay. Something to do with the water, not sailing on the water. What are you going to use to water your crops? Water. How are you going to get it there? We just labeled one. We just labeled one. A canal. All right, so one type of irrigation system is a canal. Know another one? Joseph?
Another way they get water is with the thing they had to use like this. Yeah. Shoulder thing with all these they carried.
Oh, where they carried the buckets of water? Okay, so we could use clay pots for water. There's also levees. Is a canal like a ditch? Yeah, it's like a ditch or a trench. What's it? All right. So we've got irrigation systems. Name me another type of agricultural technique. Something they invented. Do you know, James? The wheel. And what was the wheel used on? Agricultural techniques. What did I tell you agriculture means? Farming. Think farming. Where would you see a wheel in farming, Miguel?
Wheelbarrow.
On a wheelbarrow. Where else?
A tractor.
In Mesopotamia. Sorry.
A plow.
No. Where are you going to see a wheel if you are living in Mesopotamia? Where are you going to see it, Rachel?
Carry.
Oh, something else. You're getting closer at least.
That we put on the back of the horse for
Okay, what is that called?
cart.
A cart. You're going to see it on a cart that an oxen would pull, or a horse would pull, or a donkey would pull.
That wasn't that hard.
Okay? It was not. My gosh, that was like pulling teeth to get to that answer. Okay, so a wheel, you're going to see that on a cart. All right, now there was another technique or another invention they came up with that was very, very important. Somebody said it a minute ago, they did not have wheels on them.
Plow?
That is not farming. How are you going to use a chariot out in the middle of a field?
No.
You won't.
Plow?
Plow. Okay, a plow. There was not a tractor in Mesopotamia.
What is that? I was joking with that. It's not funny.
Okay. So we're going to continue that list in a minute, so just keep it in front of you. All right, now we're going to look at some irrigation techniques, I hope, if my slides work with me. All right, here we go. Irrigation system number 1. Okay, what is that? It's a canal, okay? And the purpose of a canal is to run water into your fields, your crops, right? Okay, so you can see the ditch line here. Put it in blue, represent water. Okay, you can see it there. Did I run it sideways? Yeah, okay. And you can see it cut in here, right? So when it comes from there, it's going to go one of 2 directions. Now, where's the canal gate? Miguel, up here. Where's the canal gate?
Like right here. That wooden part.
This?
Yes.
Yes. Here's your canal gate. What is a canal gate going to allow you to do, James?
Turn it on and off.
Turn it on and off, basically.
Like a faucet.
Okay, like a faucet. Now, are they going to have a faucet there in Mesopotamia? No. So your canal gate's going to have a door. Is it going to look like the door to the classroom?
No. It's like a little square. Like a trap.
It's going to raise and lower, right? You're going to be able to raise it, you're going to be able to lower it. Now, if you can raise it and lower it, can you control the amount of water that comes into the canal? Absolutely. Somebody asked a question in one of the classes earlier today. They said, Miss Willis, when you open that canal gate, won't the water come rushing through right here and hit this and just explode it? Kind of like hit that dirt and make it go everywhere? Yeah. If you opened it straight up, it would, and there was a lot of water over here on this side. Yeah, it definitely would. But if you open it slowly, what do you let the water do?
Kind of slow.
Yeah, it just kind of smoothly flows in, right? Now on this one, and this is not one they used in Mesopotamia, because would we have an actual primary source picture of that?
No.
No, there were no cameras then in Mesopotamia, just in case you didn't know that.
Oh, I thought they were.
Yeah, along with tractors. Okay, so this is a picture of somewhere in the world where there